الله الذي جعل لكم الليل لتسكنوا فيه والنهار مبصرا إن الله لذو فضل على الناس ولكن أكثر الناس لا يشكرون.
Allah it is who made the night so that you may seek repose in it and made the day radiant. Surely Allah is most bounteous to people, but most people do not give thanks.
ذلكم الله ربكم خالق كل شيء لا إله إلا هو فأنا تؤفكون.
Allah who bestowed all these favors upon you is your Lord, the creator of everything. There is no God but He. Whence are you then being led astray?
كذلك يؤفك الذين كانوا بآيات الله يجحدون.
Thus it is only those who had denied Allah's signs that were led astray.
الله الذي جعل لكم الأرض قرارا والسماء بناء وصوركم فأحسن صوركم ورزقكم من الطيبات ذلكم الله ربكم فتبارك الله رب العالمين.
Allah it is who made the earth a dwelling place for you and made the sky a canopy, who shaped you exceedingly well and gave you good things as sustenance. That is Allah, your Lord. Blessed be Allah, the Lord of the universe.
هو الحي لا إله إلا هو فادعوه مخلصين له الدين الحمد لله رب العالمين.
He is the ever-living, there's no God but He. So call upon Him, consecrating to Him all your devotion. All praise and thanks be to Allah, the Lord of the whole universe.
قل إني نهيت أن أعبد الذين تدعون من دون الله لما جاءني البينات من ربي وأمرت أن أسلم لرب العالمين.
Say, O Prophet, I have been forbidden to worship those beside Allah whom you call upon. How can I worship any beside Allah when clear signs have come to me from my Lord, and I have been commanded to surrender to Allah, the Lord of the universe?
هو الذي خلقكم من تراب ثم من نطفة ثم من علقة ثم يخرجكم طفلا ثم لتبلغوا أشدكم ثم لتكونوا شيوخا ومنكم من يتوفى من قبل ولتبلغوا أجلا مسمى ولعلكم تعقلون.
He it is who created you from dust, then from a sperm drop, then from a clot. Then He brings you out as an infant, then causes you to grow into full maturity, and then causes you to grow further, so that you may reach old age, while some of you He recalls earlier. All this is in order that you may reach an appointed term, and that you may understand the truth.
هو الذي يحيي ويميت فإذا قضى أمرا فإنما يقول له كن فيكون.
He it is who gives life and causes death. Whenever He decrees a thing, He only commands to it, be, and it is.
ألم تر إلى الذين يجادلون في آيات الله أنى يصرفون.
Did you not see those who dispute concerning Allah's signs? Whence are they then being turned astray?
الذين كذبوا بالكتاب وبما أرسلنا به رسلنا فسوف يعلمون.
Those who gave the lie to this book and all the books which we had sent with our messengers shall soon come to know the truth.
إذ الأغلال في أعناقهم والسلاسل يسحبون.
When fetters and chains shall be on their necks, and they shall be dragged into
في الحميم ثم في النار يسجرون.
boiling water and cast into the fire.
ثم قيل لهم أين ما كنتم تشركون.
It will then be said to them, where are those whom you
من دون الله قالوا ضلوا عنا بل لم نكن ندعو من قبل شيئا كذلك يضل الله الكافرين.
associated with Allah in His divinity, they will say, we have lost them, rather we never used to call upon anyone before. Thus will Allah cause them to stumble in error.
ذلكم بما كنتم تفرحون في الأرض بغير الحق وبما كنتم تمرحون.
They will be told, this is because while you were on earth, you took delight in untruth and exulted in it.
ادخلوا أبواب جهنم خالدين فيها فبئس مثوى المتكبرين.
Enter hell now, to abide in it. How woeful is the abode of those who wax proud.
فاصبر إن وعد الله حق فإما نرينك بعض الذي نعدهم أو نتوفينك فإلينا يرجعون.
So be patient, O Prophet. Surely Allah's promise is true. Whether we show them a part of the woeful consequences against which we warn them while you are still in their midst, or we recall you from this world before that, eventually it is to us that they shall be brought back.
ولقد أرسلنا رسلا من قبلك منهم من قصصنا عليك ومنهم من لم نقصص عليك وما كان لرسول أن يأتي بآية إلا بإذن الله فإذا جاء أمر الله قضي بالحق وخسر هنالك المبطلون.
Indeed, we sent many messengers before you. Of them, there are some whose account we have narrated to you, and there are others whose account we have not narrated to you. It did not lie in any messenger's power to bring any sign except with Allah's leave. So, when Allah's decree came, the matter was decided with justice, and those steeped in error courted utter loss. Then and there.
الله الذي جعل لكم الأنعام لتركبوا منها ومنها تأكلون.
Allah it is who has made cattle for you so that you ride some of them, and from some of them you derive food.
ولكم فيها منافع ولتبلغوا عليها حاجة في صدوركم وعليها وعلى الفلك تحملون.
In them there are also other benefits for you, and through them you fulfill your heartfelt need to reach places, and you are borne along upon them as upon the ships.
ويريكم آياته فأي آيات الله تنكرون.
Allah shows His signs to you, then which of Allah's signs will you deny?
أفلم يسيروا في الأرض فينظروا كيف كان عاقبة الذين من قبلهم كانوا أكثر منهم وأشد قوة وآثارا في الأرض فما أغنى عنهم ما كانوا يكسبون.
Did they not journey in the land that they may behold the end of those who had gone before them? They were more numerous and greater in strength, and left behind more splendid traces in the land. Yet their attainments did not avail them.
فلما جاءتهم رسلهم بالبينات فرحوا بما عندهم من العلم وحاق بهم ما كانوا به يستهزئون.
When their messengers came to them with clear signs, they arrogantly exulted in whatever knowledge they had. They were then encompassed by what they had mocked.
فلما رأوا بأسنا قالوا آمنا بالله وحده وكفرنا بما كنا به مشركين.
When they saw our chastisement, they said, "We have come to believe in Allah, the only one, and we reject all what we had associated with Allah in His divinity."
فلم يك ينفعهم إيمانهم لما رأوا بأسنا سنة الله التي قد خلت في عباده وخسر هنالك الكافرون.
But their believing after they had seen our chastisement did not avail them. That has been Allah's way concerning His servants, and the unbelievers courted utter loss then and there.